Hey guys, welcome to B Stride DIY. This is Brian, and I'm showing you some Harbor Freight deals. These are going on through November 10th, which is a Sunday. Now, these are pre-Black Friday sales. I'm going to start with the power tools. Now, from Bauer, this is a 5.8 amp, 4.5-inch compact circular saw. This is $49. This is 23% off. $64 originally. It's now $49. They had this Bauer 8 amp, 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder. This is going to be 22% off at $34.99. And I know what you're thinking. Why would I buy now when their Black Friday deals are coming up? I mean, it just depends on if you need something. I think their Black Friday deals start on the 11th, but I may be wrong. And once those come out, and I know those, I can go over those in another video. I'll actually do another pre-Black Friday video as well. Harbor Freight's also got this Warrior 6-inch general purpose reciprocating saw pack kit. It's a 12-pack kit for 22% off. It was $8.99. Then they've got this Warrior 18-volt cordless jigsaw kit. It does include the battery and charger for $34. Again, it is the Warrior brand, which is kind of more their low value brand, I think, at Harbor Freight. But let me know if you have one, and you can tell me that I'm wrong. There's limit 2 on this with about 4.2 stars. Now from Hercules is this 3 amp 5-inch random orbital palm sander. It says with soft start it's $44.99. It was $54, so that's 18% savings on this one. And then they show you the different round view on this one here. And then from Drill Master is this 11 amp fixed base router. This is 10% off, was 49, it's now 44. And now if you do need a router bit set, this is a 15-piece set from Bauer. Has some pretty high ratings, looks like about 4.7. It's 17% off at $32.99. This was $39. Now this is 16% off. It's their 7.3 amp 1-inch SDS Plus speed rotary hammer. It's $74. It was $89, and that's 16% off. Now at the very top, they have these air compressor tools. They look pretty similar to me here. But these are the Black Widow Professional HVLP gravity-fed air spray guns with rear fan control. They're all $149 at 30% off. Now, if you need something from the automotive section here, starting off, we have this Daytona 3-ton low-profile professional floor jack. Comes in 4 different colors. This is the orange color. This is $50 off. It's $129. Originally, it's $179. And then from Zurich is this ZR13 OBD2 code reader with ABS, SRX, and Fix Assist. This is going to be $20 off. Nothing crazy. $139. It was $159. We'll have to see if this comes down any with Black Friday though. And then from Pittsburgh Automotive, they've got this 20-gallon portable oil lift drain. It's $139. This is going to be $30 off. And from Holt, they've got this 2.3-gallon manual fluid extractor. This is $69. It was $89, so you're getting 22% off. And now if you just need a simple OBD2 code reader, this is one from Zurich. It's only $39. So this is 33% off, which is pretty good. It was $59. And you can see the different testing. It's going to do battery alternator, LED, language selection. So kind of more of a basic OBD2 reader. Now from Pittsburgh Automotive, they have the 3-ton aluminum jack stands for $39.99. That's 20% off. I'm kind of curious what these are going to do on Black Friday, but this is not too bad. It was 49, they're now down to 39. From Pittsburgh Automotive, they've got this 12-volt diesel transfer pump for $99. It was $139. This is going to be $40 off. Now this is pretty cool. It's only 4.1 stars though, so it's $139. It's $25 off. This is a digital inspection camera with micro SD card slot. So kind of just so you're able to look in pipes and walls. That's kind of what I would use it for. Could do automotive as well, definitely. Now from Viking is this 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack. So this has 3400 peak amps, 12 volt and a 24 volt jump starter. $299. It is $40 off. It was $339. And the thing about this is it looks like the cords are a little bit longer than the standard jumper, which is always nice, especially for a larger jump pack. Now, if you need something a little cheaper, this is a 630 peak amp portable car jump starter and power pack. This is 14% off, so down to 59 from 69 here. And then this is what the back looks like. It's got the plug-in. It's got the built-in wall plug-in, so you don't need a cord, which is nice. And then the fairly long jumper cables, which is always a plus. Now, for Hallmaster is this 2 3/4 cubic foot steel trailer tongue box. 104 was 119. Nothing crazy there, but it's $15 off. From Jupiter, this is 120-watt continuous 240-watt peak sine wave power inverter. Looks like it has about 4.3 stars at $19. It's 20% off. It was $24.99. Now from Thunderbolt Solar, Harbor Freight selling more solar panels and solar setups. It's kind of interesting. This is an 18-watt foldable solar panel. It's about 4.5 stars, 59 down from 69. So this is 14% off. Kind of nice how you can fold it up and take it with you, though. Now for some hand tools, this is the Quinn half-inch drive 25 by 250-foot digital torque adapter. 20% off. This is going to be $39. It was $49. And then this is the Pittsburgh half-inch drive SAE and metric high-vis socket set. So it's got the neon green handle there. 16% off at $24.99. Was $29.99. And now from Pittsburgh again is this SAE offset box and wrench set. So this is an eight-piece set for $13. 26% off. It was $18.99. Now from Pittsburgh, you got an 8-inch needle nose plier, 25% off. $3.99 originally, now it's $2.99. This is a pretty good deal. This is from Icon. It's a professional wobble socket extension set. This is a 7-piece set. Looks like it has about 5 stars, maybe 4.95, 45% off. And then you're getting a little carrying case with this as well, it looks like. Now, this is good till it says online till November 12th, but the coupon's good through 11/10, and a limit 2 with these. And this is a chainsaw file set. It's a 3-piece set at $2.99. It was $4.99. This is going to be 40% off. Now, this is from Bunker Hill Security. They've got their 2 3/4 inch circular padlock. So if you've got a storage unit or if you need to lock something up like a tool shed, $4.99 was $7.49. So you're getting 33% off on this one. Now I always love flashlights and work lights. This is a Lumen LED work light, about 4.7 stars at $9.99. It was $14.99. This is going to be 33% off, and it's adjustable. Here you can see how you can adjust it however you need to, which is always nice, especially if you're working on a room, you're painting, you're rolling, you're working on electrical. This is going to be a big help. Now from Ames Instruments is this compact digital multimeter. It's $34, 18% off. These are some of the stats here, how it lines up. This is you can get 2 of these with this coupon. Now this is a Fasten Pro tacking gun. This is $9.99, 16% off. So this might be great for hanging up some Christmas lights. Although nowadays people kind of use instead of doing this on their siding, they'll use the plastic clips. Now from Hardy, this is the nitrile dip work gloves. This is the size large from 149. This is 25% off. So these are nice because you've got that nitrile on the hand. So if you you touch something sharp or you need to grip something well, that's not going to be an issue. And these come in medium, large, and extra large. From Bauer, you've got this 32-inch steel adjustable sawhorse. It's a 1,300-pound capacity, which is nice. 16% off, nothing crazy, but it's $49. It was $59. And then they're saying per pair, of course, it offers 2,600-pound capacity per pair. Now, if you're laying tile or you need to be on your knees for a project, this is the Ranger Comfort Grip knee pads. 20% off, it's $7.99. Not too bad. I've been seeing them kind of 12, 13, 14 in Lowe's and Home Depot. Not this brand, but just in general. Now this is pretty good. $9, it was $12. So $9.99, it was $12.99 for 23% off. These are some mechanics work gloves. They do look kind of thick though for mechanics gloves, but I guess they work pretty well because they're probably not as thick in the picture since they're kind of mesh. But they're showing them here with different construction type jobs, not really mechanic work. Now from Cover Pros is 12 by 20 foot truck SUV portable garage. It's at $374. It's $25 off. It was $399. And these are some of the different views, front and back, and a look through view. Now from Portland, this is a 12 amp 3-in-1 electric blower and vacuum and mulcher. $39. It was 16% off. Was $47. But they're showing you everything it comes with here. And then the bag is going to be the mulcher, of course. I always just kind of wish with those bags they were almost a little bit bigger because with the mulching, I always have to change them out so frequently. But I rarely use the mulching feature now just because it's a lot easier to burn the leaves or put them where I need them almost as a mulch. Now from Atlas is this 80 volt 4 amp hour, 40 volt 8 amp hour extreme performance lithium ion battery. It's $30 off. It's $219. It was $249. I know people say the batteries are so expensive from this brand. Just let me know what you think. I mean, I know they are 8 amp hour, so they're high capacity batteries, but from Atlas, you've got this 80 volt brushless cordless 18-inch chainsaw. Now this is the tool only. Would be really nice if it did come with the battery, but for this price, obviously that's not the case. So 139 was 149, $10 off. Let me know if you tried the Portland ones before. I know it's probably not as powerful as the Atlas, but if it gets the job done, you can probably save $100 or so. Now from Pittsburgh Automotive, you've got the adjustable shop stool with backrest. This comes in a few different colors: green, black, red, and blue. But this is 20% off. It was $74. It's now 59. Bauer, they've got a 100-foot self-leveling 3-dot laser level. This is 14% off. Again, nothing too crazy, but you've got a lock feature and you've got the 3-dot laser level with a 100-foot capacity here. And you can get 2 of these. Now, in case you need a tool chest, this is from US General. It's a 56-inch by 22-inch top chest series. This is in slate gray, but comes in all kinds of colors. And again, this is $100 off, down from $599. It's $499. But this is just the top chest, just FYI. Now from Voyager, this is a 12-inch toolbox with top tray. Now it's only $499, but just keep in mind it is a smaller toolbox, kind of as in the picture, so you're not getting anything huge, but it is 28% off. This is a titanium 9.3 square inch auto darkening welding helmet. This is $30 off, $79. It was $109.99, and you can get 2 of these with the coupon. Now from Olson is this heavy duty oxygen and acetylene welding kit. This is $20 off, was $199. It's now $179. Now from Pittsburgh is this 6-inch quick release bar clamp. It's 14% off, $299. It was $349. And this looks like it's about 4.6 out of 5 stars. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and check out this next one. I go ahead and go into Lowe's where I check out their different deals and sales for November.